Hey gamers! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most premium gaming keyboards on the market, the CORSAIR K70 RGB Pro. If you're serious about performance, precision, and that satisfying mechanical feel, this might be your next weapon of choice. Product Overview Gear. Let's start with the build. Crafted with an aircraft-grade aluminum frame, it's built to last for years of intense gaming. The Cherry MX Red linear mechanical switches deliver ultra-smooth keystrokes with minimal resistance, perfect for fast-paced shooters like Valorant, CS2, or Apex Legends. Features and performance. Fire. 1. 8000 Hz hyperpolling rate, that's 8 times faster than standard gaming keyboards. It ensures near-zero input delay. 2. Full NKRO with 100% anti-ghosting, every key press registers perfectly, even during the most chaotic battles. 3. PBT double-shot keycaps, these are resistant to wear, shine, and fading. Perfect for long-term durability. 4. SOCD cleaning feature, ideal for competitive gamers using simultaneous inputs without interference. 5. Dedicated tournament switch, with one flip, disable distractions like macros or lighting to focus purely on performance. Lighting and software rainbow. The RGB lighting here is next level. Each key is individually lit, customizable through CORSAIR iCUE software. You can sync it with your entire CORSAIR ecosystem, fans, RAM, and even your mouse. Realistic pause button. Let's pause here. If you've ever tried typing or gaming on a cheap keyboard, you know the difference. The K70 Pro gives you that buttery smooth precision that's almost addictive. Trust me, you'll find yourself typing more than gaming at first just to enjoy the feel. Build quality and design. Flexed biceps. The brushed aluminum top plate not only looks sleek but also adds rigidity. The detachable USB-C cable makes it portable for LAN events or tournaments. You also get dedicated media controls and a metal volume roller, premium touches all around. Gamer experience. Direct hit. If you're into FPS, MOBA, or MMOs, this keyboard's fast actuation and consistent linear travel make a huge difference in reaction time and control. Pair it with a CORSAIR mouse, and your setup becomes an esports-grade arsenal. So, should you buy it? If you're after precision, durability, and responsiveness, the CORSAIR K70 RGB Pro is absolutely worth it. It's a blend of performance engineering and visual elegance. Buy it on Amazon and elevate your game.